check out what I'm using to saute my veggies. I love this. I love it even more than the wok that I've been using. I find that it just kind of like cooks everything more evenly. Got veggies going on here, some Brussels sprout, onions, putting out some pasta. I just love how just kind of like evenly just kind of like cooks everything if you want like that. Extra grill feel and texture to your veggies or pasta. Kind of like at a Japanese restaurant. I think this is the way to go. This pan I bought it like on I'm not promoting like the brand because I have no idea what this brand is, but it was like I bought it like on sale for $10. I'm sure you can find it like somewhere for like $10 or $30. You shouldn't pay for it, hopefully more than $30 for like such a pan. But yeah, look at this. It just evenly cooks like perfectly like veggies. This is what I'm having for dinner for Shabbat. Shabbat Shalom.